Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So now we are going to discuss about previous year problems for NEET, AIMS and JIPMER students. Okay, now discuss about first problem. 2 point charges A and B having charges plus Q and minus Q respectively are placed at certain distance apart and force acting between them is F, capital letter F. If 25% charge of A is transferred to B, okay, 25% charge is transferred from A to B, that is a new charge of A is 75%. Okay, 25% is transferred to B, remaining is 75%. Then force between the charges becomes, that is the F is calculated. Okay, the 2 point charges, 2 point charges A and B. Okay, this is the A and B. The charges plus Q and minus Q is separated by a distance R. Separated by a distance R. According to Coulomb's law, F is equal to K into QA QB by R square. QA QB by R square. QA is the Q and QB is the minus Q by R square. Then F is equal to minus K Q square by R square. Okay, F is equal to minus K Q square by R square. If 25% charge of A is transferred to B, that is a Q dash A. Okay, Q A dash, that is the new charge, find out. So remaining 25% is transferred from A to B, remaining the new charge of A is 75%. Okay, 75 by 100 to Q, that is equal to the 25 table cancellation 3 by 4 Q. 3 by 4 Q. Next to Q dash QBB dash. QB dash. QB dash is the 25%. Already in this problem, if 25% charge of A is transferred to B, that is 25%. 25 by 100 the QA, that is a Q plus QB. 25% QA plus QB. Next QB dash is equal to 1 by 4 Q. The QB is the minus Q, that implies minus 3 by 4 into Q. Okay, Q A dash is equal to 3 by 4 into Q. Q B dash is equal to minus 3 by 4 into Q. Therefore, the new charge, the new force between the two particles, that is a new force F dash is equal to K into Q A dash and Q B dash by R square, that is equal to K into Q A dash is the 3 by 4 into Q. And Q B dash is the minus 3 by 4 into Q by R square. By R square. f dash is equal to k into 3 by 4 q into minus 3 by 4 q. Oh, 3 3s are 9. 9 by 16 q square minus 9k q square by minus 9k q square by 16 r square. 16 r square. F dash is equal to k q square by r square is that is force. So 9 by 16 f. F dash is equal to 9 by 16 f. Thus the new force between the two charges is 9 by 16 times the initial force between the charges. This is the new charge. That is a 9 by 16 times initial force between the two charges. This is the problem. Okay, this problem is asking NEET level 2019 edition. NEET 2019 edition. This is a very important problem.